Bananas. They're the cheerful yellow fruit enjoyed around the world. From breakfast smoothies to midday snacks, bananas are a staple in many homes. But have you ever thought about where these crescent-shaped delights come from? Join me as we journey to a banana plantation, a place where rows upon rows of leafy green plants bask in the sun. We'll uncover the fascinating journey of banana farming, from soil to your snack. Get ready to learn about soil selection, planting techniques, and even pest management. We'll explore the world of sustainable farming and how it plays a crucial role in producing those bunches of bananas we find at the market, whether you're a seasoned gardener or simply curious about where your food comes from. This journey promises to be both insightful and delicious. Bananas thrive in well-drained soil. They need good drainage to prevent root rot. The ideal soil is loose and loamy. This type of soil allows air and water to reach the roots easily. Bananas prefer slightly acidic soil. A pH level between 5.5 and 6.5 is ideal. Before planting, it's a good idea to test your soil. This helps determine if any amendments are needed. Adding compost or well-rotted manure can improve soil structure. It can also increase nutrient content. A healthy soil environment leads to healthier banana plants and a more bountiful harvest. Now that we've covered soil, let's talk about planting. Bananas are typically propagated from suckers. These are shoots that grow from the base of the main plant. Choose suckers that are healthy and about 3 to 4 feet tall. Dig a hole twice as wide and deep as the sucker's root ball. Place the sucker in the hole and backfill with soil, making sure the base of the sucker is level with the surrounding ground. Water the newly planted sucker thoroughly. Bananas need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Mulching around the base of the plant helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Sustainable farming is crucial for the long-term health of our planet. In banana farming, this means minimizing the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. One way to achieve this is through crop rotation. Alternating bananas with other crops helps break pest cycles and improve soil fertility. Another important aspect is water conservation. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, reducing water waste. Additionally, planting cover crops between banana rows helps prevent soil erosion and improves water infiltration. Section 5. Protecting the bounty pest management strategies. Like any crop, bananas are susceptible to pests and diseases. However, there are eco-friendly ways to manage these threats. One method is introducing beneficial insects. Ladybugs, for example, are natural predators of aphids, which can infest banana plants. Another approach is using organic pesticides. Neem oil, derived from the neem tree, is a natural insecticide that can help control a wide range of pests. Regular monitoring and early detection of pests and diseases are crucial for effective management. Section 6. Healthy soil, healthy bananas, maintaining soil fertility. Soil is the foundation of healthy banana plants. To maintain soil fertility, it's essential to replenish the nutrients that are depleted during the growing season. One way to do this is by adding compost or well-rotted manure to the soil. These organic materials provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure, making it easier for roots to access water and nutrients. Another important aspect is maintaining a healthy soil pH. Regular soil testing can help determine if any adjustments are needed. Adding lime can raise the pH if it's too acidic, while sulfur can lower it if it's too alkaline. Section 7. From plantation to plate, the banana's journey. Once the bananas are harvested, they embark on a journey to reach our tables. They are carefully washed, inspected, and graded for quality. Next, they are packed into boxes and shipped to different parts of the world. During transportation, the bananas are kept at a specific temperature and humidity to prevent spoilage. Finally, they arrive at our local supermarkets, ready to be enjoyed. So the next time you peel a banana, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you. Section 8. Fun facts about bananas. Did you know? Here are some fun facts about bananas. Bananas are actually berries. They develop from a single ovary and contain multiple seeds, although the seeds in cultivated bananas are tiny and inedible. India is the world's largest producer of bananas. Bananas float in water because they are less dense than water. The banana plant is technically an herb, not a tree. It has a soft, fleshy stem that doesn't develop woody tissue. Section 9. Green Thumb Golden Reward. Growing your own slice of the tropics. Feeling inspired? Why not try growing your own banana plant? With the right conditions and a little care, you can enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown bananas. Choose a sunny spot in your garden and follow the planting tips we've discussed. With patience and attention, you'll soon be enjoying the taste of fresh, homegrown bananas. Happy gardening!